That's metallic shaving right there. And you still believe that you don't need to service your gearbox. This vehicle here has done 60,000 miles. So come explore with me. Let's have a look and see what's actually inside the gearbox at this point. What's inside the filter and also what's living in the sump. And you can decide for yourself whether to service your gearbox or not. Up to you, your choice. I'm not going to walk you through the steps of how this machine works. You guys already know how it works. I'm not here to explain that. I'm here to show you what's inside that gearbox before flushing. So let's go and take a look. Let's go. Right, so I have actually taken the sump off of this now. And as you can see, the mechatronic is looking great. But the color of that oil is not meant to be like that. And let me just show you something rather worrying. As you can see, this is the sump right here. And it's only done 60,000 miles, just so you know that. But have a look at this. I didn't video me taking it out because you guys already know the process, etc. I think that's just boring stuff. So I thought I'd show you what is actually on this sump. Right, you ready? I'm just going to go to this corner here. You see that? That's metallic shaving right there. And then, all right, I'm going to wipe it clean now. Wipe it clean. Okay. I'll have a look at this. This is the magnet side. More metallic shavings. Yes, obviously, the magnet and the filter is likely to be doing their job. But now, if we have a look, I'm going to take a sample from the fluid that's on the sump. I'm going to take a sample of it, and you will see why it is important to be replacing this fluid every 50,000 miles if you can. Let's have a look. I'm just going to stir it like this. And as you can see, there's a whirlpool and there's like bits, metallic bits. I don't know how close I can get it. But yeah, you can see those metallic bits. Ignore the middle one. You see those things that's floating around. Now, are you telling me that this gearbox is sealed for life? They say it's sealed for life, but leaving contaminants in there, such as what I've just shown you in this cap, I don't think it's going to prolong the life of your gearbox. So I would service it if I was you. But anyway, right, we're going to do the flush now, the exchange, after I've fitted the filter. I will be using, by the way, obviously you already know this, I trust, and this is the only one that I trust, Febby. We're going to be fitting in a Febby filter on that, and just like the original from Mercedes, it actually comes with the filter inside already and the magnet as well. You can see it there. There's two filters on that, and the magnet is just there as well. It's the same as a Mercedes one. You can see the magnet right there, and then two filters as well. Now you're probably asking, oh, where is this? It's just up there. You can just about see it. It's in that piece, yeah. But yeah, come with me, we'll fit it, and then we'll do an exchange so you can actually see how much left is in the vehicle, because I've drained the sump and also have drained the, I believe it was the torque converter, no, sorry, the cooler. Now you will see that this window right here will turn black of some sort, but first we've got to drain that out because that's different quality oil. We're going to drain that. You're going to see, I believe he's going to be traveling on the used one. You will see it all dark, and then the new one will be nice and clear. So let me just get set up. Let's put the sump together and we'll run it through. Let's go. Gearbox flush is completely different to just replacing the filter and refilling the sump back up. Gearbox flush literally swaps out the dirty, contaminated oil with fresh ATF. By doing this, you're replacing 99.99% of the gearbox oil. On the other hand, you've got the usual service, which involves just replacing what was lost when the sump was removed. As you can see here, a flush for this vehicle requires 10 litres because it clears the fluid in the torque converter, valve block, cooler and all the hydraulic lines, whilst a refill and filter change only requires 8 litres. It's pretty obvious to me which one I'd go for. It's like saying, please replace my engine oil but only replace 80%, leave the 20% in there. Right, so this vehicle now is off of a 7G. This is the next vehicle. It's also a GLS, but this is the 7G version of it. and we had the other GLS with the 9-speed. Now take a look at what's there. Clean. This is obviously from Febby as well, and you can see that this is the old one. Look, all of that particle metal shaving mixed with everything. It's just really bad. Look, it's meant to look like that. And let me show you the mileage that is done. Over time, the contaminants will block the filter and cause the gearbox to lose oil pressure, in turn damaging the hydraulic system such as the motor and the valve block. The contaminants can also build on the clutch plate and solenoids, causing delayed or no gear change at all. After this one, I hope that you guys believe me that you need to service your gearbox every 50,000 miles. This is not even an exaggeration. People would say, oh, you need to do it every 100k or once the gearbox has gone bad. That's not the case. Let me just show you. Right, so this is the vehicle in question here. As you can see, it's done 54,249. Right there. Yeah, this one will be a quick video, but I will show you as well once obviously everything is back in place. You'll be able to see that the new fluid is completely different. The old fluid is actually just here. Look, it's, you know, well, you can see it, but it's black. Look, it's not blue. Right, I will show you on the machine what the color is, and you'll be like, yeah, I need to change my oil right now. But yeah, it's quite bad. Let me just put this back in, and then I'll show you. This is probably going to be like a 5-minute video, but I just want to make you guys aware that you do need to change it. Right, whilst the engine is running, what time is it now? Late o'clock, but anyway, we're still here doing our thing, and as you can see now, it's nice and clear on both sides. So this is the used side and that's the new side. It's pretty much doing its own thing. Look, I am very happy with that result. Very, very happy. I hope that I've been able to somewhat share what I know about gearbox flushing. Even at low mileage such as these Mercedes, it is clear to see that they need to be done. If you want to get your gearbox flushed, I will be leaving my contact details below and our area of coverage so you can get in touch. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Peace!